Hello, hello, hello. You all come in, come in, come in. Hit that like, hit the share button. At my laptop doing my research, doing my due diligence. I had no intentions on hitting the go live button. In fact, I really got on my laptop to do some assignments on my computer, some things I had to do. And I started reading these articles, right? And I know it's a little later than usual for the times that I live stream, but I had to come live and share this information with you. I had to. So, hello to you all. It's been a couple of days since I live streamed. Hope it all is well. Hope you all are doing well, right? And exciting news. Let's look at the crypto world. Let's look at the crypto market. I want to ask you a question, right? I want to ask you a very thought provoking question. How much passive income, right? Passive income, income that you get passively, income that you don't have to wake up out of the bed and be a go getter, income that you don't have to hustle for, an income that you don't have to exchange your time for money for, that whether you don't have to chase it, it comes to you, right? Automatically, passive income. If you got passive income coming in your life passively, and I'm talking about not capital gains, I'm not talking about portfolio income, but if you got that passive income, I want you to put 11, right? You see the numbers in the background, 1111. You see the numbers on my neck, 1111. If you have passive income, right, I want you to put hashtag 11. And if you have both passive and portfolio income, I want you to put hashtag 1111, whether you are watching this live or on the replay, right? What is portfolio income? Well, I'm about to show you an example. Hello to you, humble minded 111. That's the numbers. That's the significancy of the numbers. Deuteronomy 1:11. May the Lord thy God, the God of our ancestors, right, bless you and increase you 1,000 times more. Deuteronomy 11:11, right? Deuteronomy 11:11 is talking about possession of land. So many 11:11 scriptures on finances and of accumulation of assets. So portfolio income, let's get on that, is like crypto income, where your money is just sitting here or sitting in some type of, whether you're in stocks and it's dividend, sitting somewhere where it's just getting capital gains, it's getting compounding interest, where your money is making money, right? Your money is going finding friends and it's compounding on the interest. The rule of 72, right? Your money is making interest. It's the eight wonder of the world. I think, who said that? Was it Albert Einstein? Compounding interest, the rule of 72, the eighth wonder of the world. How long, how fast will it take for your money to double? So again, if you got passive income, I want you to hashtag 11, right? Not earned income, not money you have to get on your feet, but money you can make in your sleep. And if you have portfolio income, where you have compounding interest, where your money is making money, your money goes out and find friends. That's the whole concept of Matthew 25, right? He said, you knew I was a hard master. I reap where I have not sown, right? What does that mean? The parable of talents, or the parable of money. He was saying, you know that I expect my money to make money, and I expect the interest on my money to make more money as well. I reap where I have not sown, right? So many financial lessons in Matthew 25. So let's get into this. We are at the 5 minute mark, and Humble Minded is the only one that has said hello. I want you all to do your do now. We're supposed to do that before 5 minutes. Do you come in, say hello again, whether you are watching this live or on the replay. First thing I want to share with you, Ada, I want you all to look at this too. This is beautiful. Ada primed for explosive surge to $40. What's causing this explosive surge of $40 for Ada? Let's get into this then. We got Ammon rising short positions. This is on the Binance Smart Chain, but look at this. And I don't want anyone, I don't know who these people are or what they represent. Looks like the stained glass walls of maybe a Catholic type Roman church. But you got Bitcoin, the center of it all. And these looks like if it's 12, where it could be 12 months of the year. 1, 2, 12 zodiac signs, rather. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. No, it's actually 13. And with the red is 14. So I really would have to break this down and look at this. Looks like a Scorpio. Look at it more closely, this artwork. So we have Bitcoin. Of course, you have the X for the XRP, inclusive, some other. This looks like it could be a pyramid, some other artwork. You got the Bitcoin, and I don't know what symbol that is, that represents. This looks like it could be intertwine of a male and female, maybe embracing or hugging, but very beautiful. And Ada is mentioned within the context of the Bitcoin and the artwork. And so, Cardano, Ada. If you have any Ada in your portfolio, I want you to put hashtag Ada, right? Price prediction 2025, Cardano to $50, to $40. You all, if that happens, I am going to be just exuberantly excited. I don't even know if that's a word. I'm just saying, right? So it may experience a notable price surge, cryptocurrency. And this is why ADA has some updates on DEX tools or DEX cryptocurrency as well. Also, we know that Bad Boys, right? Bad Boys just released, I think it's Bad Boys 4. Is it bad? Is this the fourth one? I haven't even had taken the time to see it yet, right? Bad Boys 4, some collaboration going on with that. Hello, Sharon. Hello to you. Thank you so much for coming in and saying hello. Everyone else follow suit. Don't be rude. Again, whether you're watching live or on the replay, simply come in and say hello. So Cardano welcomes Hollywood star endorsement as chain hard fork upgrade is on the way, is coming. So highly anticipated change hard forward approaches the popular blockchain. ADA receives increased attention and support from Hollywood celebrity Martin Lawrence, right? Known for his role along Will Smith for Bad Boys. Lawrence has demonstrated growing optimism toward the platform. In recent social media posts, he expressed his enthusiasm for Ada's Cardano's system, further solidifying his endorsement of the cryptocurrency. So on June 23rd, Martin Lawrence took on social media to share a video featuring the Cardano song and blockchain platforms founder. So I'm going to see if I can pull up that video for you all as well. While we're looking at that. So we got the fork, the hard fork that's coming up for ADA, for Cardano. Some big news. Cardano has a market cap right now of $38 billion. $38 billion. So will it reach that? We will see. We should definitely see. I held on to ADA since 2021. Bull run, exploded. And a lot of great things with ADA. When ADA first was in my portfolio, the most I knew about ADA was that the partnership with Africa and things it was doing there. Now they are just expanding, expeditiously. Let's look at this. This is Martin Lawrence and his endorsement with ADA as well. Thank you, the fourth Bad Boys. Hello, Keisha Moore. It's Keisha. Thank you for coming in, right? And being a great follower, subscriber, and saying hello as well. Thank you. Hope you're having a great, great night. So far, if not, hopefully I can make it better with this news.
And these protocols allow you to move value. Cardano. Now come on now. Cardano. The truth shall set you free.
I always term Cardano as like a FOSS, a financial operating system, and nobody likes it. And everybody picks on me for using that term. But basically, the idea is that the world runs on systems, especially the financial world, and these protocols allow you to move value around and represent things like identity and allow you to express yourself in some way.
Cardano. Now come on now, come on now. Cardano. The truth shall set you free. Cardano. Now come on now, come on now. Cardano. The truth shall set you free.
And so the point of what we do, or at least what I do and what my company does, is we think a lot about how do we build a universal protocol that does all the stuff the legacy system has, but just does it better, faster, and cheaper for everybody in the world. And everybody has equal access to it. So it's the people's protocol. You have a situation where the guy in Senegal has the same access that I do, or Bill Gates does, or someone else who's kind of higher on the spectrum of wealth and power. That is what we seek to achieve.
Cardano. Now come on now, come on now. Cardano. The truth shall set you free.
But how do you use the fact that we have a better toolkit to create a different system, a different incentive model, where the default configuration of the system is long-term thinking? And the default configuration of the system is to get rid of all these negative externalities that marketplaces have and judge the success of society not by how the greatest of society are doing, but by how the least of society are doing.
Cardano. Now come on now, come on now. Cardano. The truth shall set you free. Cardano. Now come on now, come on now. Cardano. The truth shall set you free.
Okay, so that's that. I think it's just hold on, give me a second. Let me stop sharing. I think it's just at a point where it's just repeating it. So Lawrence involvement in this. Also, Dex tools, Cardano's Dex volume is up 21%. You all 21% in the last 24 hours. Right. So its Dex volume is hard for coming up. Many analysts is saying $40 ADA is on the way. Also, Solana recent update. If you invested $1,000 in, let's see, what year was this? What I was reading this. Just $1,000 in Solana when Sam Bankman Fried got arrested. How much will you have now? And let's see, 25 years sentence if you, let's see, 25 in March. And let me see, can I find that article? That was just FYI. And when he was arrested, so open at $32.61 at that time. And it closed lower at $13 on the first week of November 2022, $13.18. So the downward trend continued to so bottom out around $8 2 weeks after Bankman Fried's arrest, and Solana stabilized. So what is the amount? Give me the amount. So when Bankman Fried went into custody, Stowe was trading approximately $13 per token, down over 95% of his peak bull run price of $260. Right, the peak bull run for Solana 95%. $260 was 2021, right? So the lowest that Solana was in the year of 2021 during the bull run was in March. And so if you would have purchased $1,000 worth of Solana at $12 per token, you would have had approximately 77 Solanas, right? 76.9 tokens per token. You would have received 76 Solanas, right? Solana, $12, $1,000. It would have been it's worth over $10,000. So that represents an increase of over $1,000, you all, in less than 2 years. So when I give you Deuteronomy 1:11, may the Lord thy God, the God of our ancestors, bless you and increase you, right? Notice the scripture says bless you and increase you. It just didn't say bless you. It said bless you and increase you 1,000 times more. You can that and more in this crypto world. There is no other asset right now. There is no other place that I've seen that you can put your money in. Not real estate, not tangible real estate, that'll give you that type of return. No forex trading, um, none of that. And so it's expecting that when Solana during the full bull run, which will probably happen in 2025, right? Starting the year 2025, starting this fall, whenever we see whatever president is selected, not elected, selected, and then we're definitely, which I strongly think is going to be Trump, because he's going to usher in this cryptocurrency, right? That's his duty. That's his marching orders. All of these. I want to say it in a nice way, but I'm just going to say it in a direct way. Whether you believe it or not, all of these presidents are puppets, and they get selected for their term. Not notice I didn't say elected. So that's why I don't get into conversations about the lesser of the two evils, for example, because it doesn't make sense to me when it's evil. It's still evil. When you say, for example, I choose to go with the lesser of the two evil, do you understand what you're saying? You're still saying that it's evil, right? And so, with that being said, that's my little side note. Solana shared this article, and you all come in because when I don't live stream for a couple of days and you say hello, that makes me feel so good because I miss you all. So I hope you miss me too, right? Life is just busy right now for me, and I'm not live streaming daily like I used to. But Solana price prediction as well as hoard Solana. So there, a lot of Solana tokens right now are locked up. They're being hoarded. It's $1,000 this year. Is it inevitable? Well, sold price recovered today. The past few week, it took a little dip. Over the last 24 hours, Solana has increased by 8.41%, reaching $137, right? Approximately $138, almost at $138. In a comeback, Solana posted a weekly gain of 0.51%. Now, although Solana has fallen by 15.77% this month, it still has an impressive return for this year, you all. 747.74% gains on Solana for the year. For the year. And so you have the ETF's approval that's pending. A lot of Solana is locked up right now, right? So it's going to be, in my opinion, like the people's currency, right? It's going to be what the people choose to use for a transaction because it's cheaper and it's faster. Ethereum is going to become more um, institutionalized, right? Institutionalized as the Ethereum ETF is pending approval by BlackRock, which will more than likely happen. And so, as it becomes more institutionalized, Solana is going to be more people's choice, people's currency because Ethereum is the transaction fees are still high, pretty more expensive right now than Solana, and it's slower. So you have the people's currency. Easily, we can see Solana in this bull market, $1,000 and more. ADA at $40. Whoa, I'll be super excited. Let me know how excited you all are. And that's it, you all. I'm logging off. I have some more work to do on my laptop. Also, visit Millie Moves. Purchase my two books in the background. My millionaire notes are notes that I have taken over the years from sitting at the table or conferences of multimillionaires. It's a very short but powerful read because you must become a millionaire in your mind before it happens in time. Like your mindset has to be ready. If not, you'll be just like a lottery winner. If the money comes before your mindset is ready, and as the Bible said, a fool and his money will soon depart. So you have to get your mindset ready for money and success and also ministry. So get that. Also get Crypto Chris Profits. Crypto Chris Profits is the story of the poor little rich kid, what he did, how he found out about Bitcoin and blockchain, how he started converting his cash This is something that you can get for your children or your child, your niece or your nephew, or just a child that you want to bless, or for yourself, right? Because it is illustrated in a very childlike manner, the illustrations, which makes it a very powerful and easy read. But it is very effective for adults to read and to gain more knowledge about crypto and about how money works in general, right? I'm logging off for the second time. You all make sure you are subscribed to me on YouTube. Hit that like and hit the share button. Share this video. You all, Queen out.